Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Today I have this HD Wi-Fi security camera, and of course this is called a Dekco Wi-Fi security camera, and of course it's a PTZ base, which is point and zoom security camera, as you can see here. And the features include full 360 viewing angles, smart motion activated alarm, and of course zero hidden costs in terms of cloud storage. So it does use local storage to store and back up your video files. All right, so I'll run you through the product. All right, so this is the side of the box. This is what it includes. It includes the camera, screw pack, sticker, warning sticker, user manual, and the power adapter. All right, these are pretty straightforward. You can see here it's a 3 megapixel camera. It uses DC 12 volt, and of course it uses 802.11b GYN 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. All right. On the back, you can see some of the features again: viewing angles, 360, motion activated alarm, color night vision. It has two-way talk. It has motion or 24/7 recording, secure local storage. You'll have to get a memory card, and of course, zero hidden costs. It's weather resistant, meaning it's built to withstand heat, cold, and rain and sun. Real-time notifications and smart alerts. Alright guys, so here you have the contents of the package. You do get, of course, everything seen here. You have the 24-hour security decal sticker, the device itself, brand new, of course, the security camera information here. There's some more information, a quick start guide, and of course is your Dekco keep your home safe, and of course the mounting stuff. If you check out here, you have this mounting holes to easily identify your placement for drilling. Adapter in white, we prefer black though. Screws, which is nice. And if you check this out, it does have two of the wireless portions here. Check out this section over here as well. You have the point that connects to the adapter, and everything is neatly packaged. The adapter is very small, would fit in a standard outlet box, and this is the device itself. I'll put a link to this in the description just in case you want to check this out for your self. Alright, so this has been an unboxing of this device. Just before I go, housing for the memory card at the base, speaker at the back there, and you can see the information here. Alright, so as always, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.